channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to block ads on your Android phone using a cool trick with private DNS. First, go ahead and open Settings on your Android phone. Now, scroll down and tap on More Connections. Next, select Private DNS from the list of options. Then, choose Private DNS Provider Hostname. Now, type in the following DNS address: dns.adguard.com. Once you've entered it, just tap Save. And that's it. Party Popper ads will now be blocked across most apps and websites, helping to improve your browsing experience. Enjoy an ad-free phone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips. See you in the next video.